Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture I am going to create some drawable resource file for our playing activity. So let's start this lecture by switch back to your Android Studio. So first you need to create some drawable resource file. So simply click on this drawable resource file, means right click on this drawable resource file and here select the drawable resource file. And from there name your drawable resource file play song shape and simply hit OK. Then again we need another file, that is drawable source file. So I'm going to name it as play song shape pressed. Then simply hit OK. So just open all this door file, just close all the remaining files. Now simply click on this play song shape.xml file and hit this button, that is text. Then I'm going to click on this project tab so that I get a more wider area to work. So now we need to change this selector to shape. So simply select it and just hit a tab key. Now inside of the shape we need corners. So simply open a tag, that is corners, hit a tab key, and inside of this we need to specify a radius. So I'm going to specify the radius as 72 dp. After that close the tag with the self tag. Then I need a gradient. So I will typing a gradient and I'm going to specify the gradient angle to 45, and after that I need another property, self close. I just want a self close tag. Then again I need to specify a start color. A start color I'm going to specify a hex code that I have already experimented with this hex code. So I'm going to type 4741 capital E and then 8. So we'll get this nice looking color. After that I need to specify end color. The end color I'm again going to specify hex code. So simply hashtag, then capital B, then specify E capital E, then 3, and then capital B F. Then I need to specify the type of the gradient. So the type of the gradient is linear. And after that I need to specify a padding tag. So padding. Then here I need to specify the padding bottom to 0 dp. Then I need to close the tag to self tag. Then again I need some more properties. In the left padding I'm going to specify 0 dp. Then the right padding I'm going to also specify 0 dp. And again I'm going to specify the top padding as also 0 dp. Then I need to specify the size by opening a size tag. In size I need to specify the width, that is 216 dp. Then I need to self close the tag. Then here I need to specify the height, and the height I am going to specify as 60 dp. So you can see that this looks like a button background. Now similarly we need to code the play song shape press.xml file. Just click on it and switch back to text mode and then change the selector to shape. Hit a tab key. Then again I'm going to specify a corner inside of this. So type as corners. Then I need to specify radius. So radius should be 72 dp. Then self close the tag. Then again need to start a gradient. Hit a tab key and angle I'm going to specify at 45. Then I need to self close the tag. Then here I need to specify the start color. Start color, and I will be specifying a hex code. So hex code hashtag 33 DC E, and then we need to specify 8. Then again I need to specify and color, and I need to specify hashtag 1 capital C, then 7 E F, and then another F. Then I need to specify the type of the gradient. The type of the gradient should be linear. Then here I need to specify the padding. Simply opening a padding tag, and the padding from, I'm just simply going to copy the code so that it will be quick for me. Copy it because it will be the same code. Then I also need to specify the height and width. So the size tag, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to specify it here. So that's all about the coding of our both drawable source file. Now it's time to link those drawable file in our activity. So we are going to do that when we are going to code the playing activity. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.